This week we're going to look at the artist Picasso, and we're going to do some Picasso-inspired portraits. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish artist, but he lived most of his life in France. He's known for co-founding the Cubist movement, and he's considered one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. In Cubist paintings, an artist would try and show an object from several different angles at once. So you can see on these portraits by Picasso, you can see the front and side view of the faces. Some of the eyes face forwards and some of them you can see as a side view. For this task, you're going to need paper, pencil, ruler, and something to colour in your portrait with, so that can be paint, pencils, crayons, anything you like. First, draw the outline of a face, neck and shoulders, and it doesn't need to be too perfect. If it's not an exactly perfect oval for the face, it doesn't really matter for this. I split my face down the middle with a wiggly line, which I used to make a nose shape, and then added in eyes, nose and mouth, ears and some hair. You notice one of my eyes faces forwards and the other one's facing sideways, so I can show those different angles like the cubist would have done. Then I used a ruler to draw in some lines across my picture, so separating it up a little bit. And I was going to colour in each of the boxes, or each part where it's separated, a different colour. And then you can colour it in however you choose. I used watercolour paints, but you can use whatever you like. As a tip, I used a black pencil crayon to go over the lines that I'd drawn and the outlines of my picture, which I think gave the work extra impact. And if you have a look at Picasso's work, he quite often uses black outlines on things as well. Send us some photographs of your Picasso-inspired portraits. You could do a self-portrait, or maybe you and your friends and family could do portraits of each other. It will be quite a fun activity.